Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset BMS Ford Focus MK3. Locate the battery and key fob, then put the ignition to accessory without starting the engine, and make sure doors are closed. Use the bonnet button or diagnostic steps depending on your model. Follow safety steps to avoid sparks and secure terminals. Keep a record of steps and any DTCs cleared for future reference and testing. Keep gloves and eye protection on and work in a ventilated area. Make sure battery voltage reads healthy before attempting a reset, and avoid metal jewelry near terminals. If you lack a scan tool, simple manual resets often work, but a professional tool speeds the job. Always record fault codes and steps taken so you can revert if needed. Safety first, then follow the clear step sequence to reset the BMS. Quick recommendation with a smile. If you like staying organized while wrenching, try those leak-proof meal prep containers for easy, spill-free lunches in the garage. They save time and keep tools and food separate, which is a surprisingly handy win on long jobs. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by ensuring the vehicle is stable and all accessories are off. Turn ignition to accessory with the key fob present, then disconnect the negative battery terminal for at least 15 minutes for a basic reset. Reconnect and cycle the ignition to allow the vehicle to relearn battery parameters. If the dashboard shows battery DTCs, use an OEM scan tool to initialize the new battery. Test drive to confirm charging and gauges are normal afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.